This video will show you two ways to create a cloud patch. A cloud patch lets you apply code to your working directory from the GitKraken left panel. When you click a cloud patch, the app presents the patch changes in the commit panel, and you can decide whether to apply those changes as a commit or add it to your working directory. To create a cloud patch, make some changes in your repo that you intend to share with someone else. When you've made your changes, open GitKraken Client and select the WIP node at the top. Click the share icon at the top of the commit panel. From here, you can set the cloud patch view permissions to anyone with the link, anyone in my org, or only collaborators. Let's choose only collaborators so I get the option to share this with one team member in particular, but you can share with more. Then click on Create Patch. Any cloud patch you share with someone will appear in their GitKraken left panel under Cloud Patches. For the second method, right-click on a commit in the commit graph and select Share Commit as Cloud Patch. This follows the same flow as before, but this time let's choose the Anyone with the Link option and then create the cloud patch. Once created, you can select Copy Cloud Patch Link from the toast or by right-clicking a cloud patch in the left panel. Send the URL to a collaborator over your preferred messaging software, and then they'll see your patch changes right inside GitKraken Client. And finally, because you have a GitKraken account, Cloud Patches will also show in VS Code with GitLens installed and in the GitKraken CLI.